We want to simplify the complex fraction and write the expression only using positive exponents. Recall a fraction bar represents division, which indicates we can write the complex fraction as the fraction on top divided by the fraction on the bottom. The complex fraction is equal to 18 x to the power of 1/4 divided by 35x divided by the fraction 6x to the power of 4/3 divided by 7. Next, recall dividing by a fraction is equivalent to multiplying by the reciprocal, which means we can write this quotient as a product. The product is 18 x to the power of 1/4 divided by 35x times the reciprocal of 6x to the power of 4/3 divided by 7, which is 7 divided by 6x to the power of 4/3. Now let's multiply. In the numerator we have 18x to the power of 1/4 times 7. Let's write that as 18 times 7 times x to the power of 1/4. In the denominator we have 35x times 6x to the power of 4/3. Let's write that as 35 times 6 times x to the power of 4/3 is equivalent to x to the first times x to the power of 4/3. Recall when multiplying and the bases are the same, we add the exponents, and 1 plus 4/3 is equivalent to 3/3 plus 4/3, which equals 7/3, giving us x to the power of 7/3. So that we can more easily simplify, let's write out the prime factorization of 18, 35, and 6. 18 is equal to 2 times 9. 9 is equal to 3 times 3. The prime factorization of 18 is 2 times 3 times 3. We still have times 7 times x to the power of 1/4. In the denominator, 35 is equal to 5 times 7, and 6 is equal to 2 times 3. In the denominator, we have 5 times 7 times 2 times 3, and we still have a factor of x to the power of 7/3. And now let's begin to simplify. 2 divided by 2 simplifies to 1, and so does 3 divided by 3, as well as 7 divided by 7. We now have 3/5. And then for x to the power of 1/4 divided by x to the power of 7/3, because we're dividing and the bases are the same, we subtract the exponents, which gives us x to the power of 1/4 minus 7/3. Let's work out this difference on the side. To subtract, we need a common denominator. The least common denominator is 12, which indicates we multiply 1/4 by 3/3, and we multiply 7/3 by 4/4. Multiplying, we now have a common denominator of 12, and the numerator is 3 minus 28. 3 minus 28 is negative 25, and therefore the expression is equal to 3/5 times x to the power of negative 25/12. We're told to use only positive exponents, so now we'll use the exponent property a to the power of negative m equals to 1 divided by a to the power of positive m, and write the expression as 3 divided by the product of 5 and x to the power of positive 25/12. I hope you found this helpful.